Check out this 2010 Ford Falcon. This is the vehicle you've been looking for. With low kilometres, this car will take you far and get you where you want to go. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, audio input for your iPod, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.